In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on your Booking.com account. Whether you've changed your primary email address or just want to update your contact information, this process is straightforward. Let's jump right in and make sure everything's up to date. Start by opening your favorite web browser. It doesn't matter whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other, they all work just fine. Once your browser is open, head over to the search bar and type in Booking.com. You'll see several results pop up, but you want to click on the first link or any link that shows Booking.com as the URL. That's your gateway to accessing your account. Once you're on the Booking.com homepage, look towards the top right corner. If you're not already signed into your account, you'll need to log in. Simply enter your credentials, or, if you're new to Booking.com, follow the quick sign-up process to create an account. After logging in, you'll notice your profile picture sitting right there at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on that will reveal a drop-down menu containing various options. Here, you'll find an option labeled My Account. Go ahead and select that. It's your primary hub for managing your Booking.com details. Now that you're in your account, scroll down until you reach the Manage Account section. Here you'll see a list of options related to your personal information. You're looking for Personal Details, so click on that to take you to the section where all your contact details are listed. Within the Personal Details section, you should see your current email address displayed. Next to it, there will be an Edit button. Click that button to initiate the email change process. This will open a field for you to enter your new email address. Carefully type in the email address you wish to use moving forward. Once that's done, simply hit Save to register your new email address. But hold on, you're not quite finished yet. To ensure security and accuracy, Booking.com will send a verification message to your new email address. It's really important to complete this step, as it finalizes the change in their system. Make your way over to your new email inbox and look for the email from Booking.com. The subject line should be clear, indicating it's a verification email. Open it and follow the instructions provided. This might include clicking a verification link or entering a code on the Booking.com website. And there you have it. Your email address on Booking.com is now updated, keeping you connected and informed about your travel plans. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Happy travels!